Kind regards, my name is Jimmy Mauricio Ramirez. Welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to explain three English sounds. The, z, and mm, eh, the, z, mm. Okay, let's start. I'm going to talk about the H sound. In this case, the sound uh, th, th, which is represented. The English T sound, uh, some people is confused, non-native speaker confused with the letter Z, the, V, and that word is the counterpart, the th. Uh, um, less articulation. Let's find how they makes this sound. The th is voiced. The counterpart or voicelet is voicelet. That is the same way, but we adding a voice. The other word down vibration in your throat, and in this is vibration. Slightly open your mouth and put your tip or your toe between your teeth. Note that tip or your tongue touch the bottom upper your teeth. Now blow the air or your tongue making a noise. The stream air flow between your upper your teeth and your tongue. Note the voice consonant sonate and in it you add your voice when you pronounce it. Let's try to say th, th. Now we practice with this word and this rhythm. This, that, this, those, there. Practice with rhythm. This is my thought. I feel bad. I am toddless or father or mother in that school. Those boys don't stop the smiling. There are full boys and the best with my toe. Together we change the weather. And other exercise is for difference the and think about this. That is my thought. They thank very much. Bright and normal breath. Okay, uh, we continue with the letter. Mm, mm. We will be using a special phonetic symbol in the sound. How recognize the in written words with bang, dang is different with the kind and kind. Is the most common combination the letter N and G as think, wink, and think. Back with the sound is for example, as you had noticed, The final G is not pronounced with the sound. And others had in the middle of the word. For example, English, finger, jungle. In this case, we listening and the letter G because they need for pronounce another last syllable. Another is to pronounce as the K, for example, thank, thank, and sing, because the K sound is in the end. Okay, and now let's find how to make the sound. To make the end sound, sound correctly, is important pass the air through your nose. Let's take a closer look how that. Pull back your toe toward your throat, the toe toward your tongue. Next, stop the air in your mouth with the back in your tongue direct into your nose. Mm, mm. If you make this sound correctly, you should have a straight sound like this. Mm. Let's pause it for a second and check how you are making sound. The back of your tongue is pushed toward your throat. The air should be directly in your nose. Mm. The sound is voiced and nasal. Let's practice this sound next reading. The singer thinks to stay among of us, but I asking, does she wants and be a new king? She is really strong and she is in wrong. Okay, we continue with the letter Z, Z, of the letter of the B. Z, when the bee fly. Okay. Now we going talk about the consonant Z in a word of the Z. You can also hear this sound like zebra, rose, music, exam. We use a special phonetic symbol Z for this sound. Uh, speak about consonant Z. Each sound may a partial blocks on you, blocking the air between your tip and your toe alveolar route. The R sound is fixed in many languages. The sound Z is represented with the letter Z or letter S. Design, rise, observe, cheers, Tuesday. Slightly open your mouth. Now focus in the position of your tip or your tongue, rather or your tip or your tongue alveolar ridge. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Make there a small gap between them. Don't release strain over your tongue. Z, 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 z. When the air flows between your tip and your toe, the alveolar ridge toward open your teeth, it creates a loud noise with the like this. Zzz, zzz. The z is a voiceless consonant. Don't forget add your voice vibration your toes. Zzz. Usually street the sound like this. Okay, I had a reading. I go to the zoo. I want to ride zebra. I run in zigzag, but the camera don't have a zoom. There are some words zoom, zero, zebra, zeppelin, zookeeper, senior, sushi, zipper, zigzag, zoom, zoom. So, okay, this is all. Thanks for watching and God bless you. See you next time.